All right, so we're going to go ahead and talk about reflections. So what is a reflection? A reflection or a flip is an isometry, remember, stays the same, in which the figure and its image have opposite orientations. The image appears to be backwards compared to the pre-image. Sorry, I had fun with that. So if I do that one more time, you can actually see it. Move on over. Click him. It'll be backwards. Alright, so the 4 lines of reflection. We can flip over the x-axis. That means I can flip something up here, down here. Across the y, I can flip something over here, over here. The line y is equal to x, so I can flip something over here, and then the line of y is equal to negative x from over here, over here. So these are the formulas which I have given you in that nice little sheet. You're welcome. If you want to make another note of that these are important, you're more than welcome to. So when I go across the x, I negate the y, or I make it the opposite sign. When I go across the y, I do the opposite. I flip the x. When I go across the line y is equal to x, they flip spots. And if it goes across the line y equals negative x, they flip spots and become the opposite sign. So we're going to flip this triangle. So first things first, what is the rule? Well, we're going to flip over the x-axis. So I'm going to use the rule x comma y turns into y comma negative x. I'm going to take the y's and make them the opposite sign. So my x is at 3, 4, so x prime, oops, here, we're going to do this. My point is at 3 comma 4, that's going to become 3 negative 4. So that's x. The y is at 6, 8, so that's going to become 6 negative 8. And the z is at 9, 1, so that's going to be at 9 negative 1. Let's go ahead and take a look at this flip now. So we should be for x at 3 negative 4. For z, we're going to be at 6 negative 8. And for z, we're going to be at 9 negative 1. Alright, how does your flip shape look? Yay! We flipped him. Okay. What about the line y is equal to x? What's that rule? Well, these guys just flip spots. So if a is at 5, negative 2, it's going to be at negative 2, 5. B is at 7, negative 2. We're going to be at negative 2, 7. Make sure you guys can still see with my picture there. If we're at 9, negative 5, we're going to be at negative 5, 9. And if we're at 3, negative 5, we're going to become negative 5, 3. Positive 3. So let's go ahead and plot these points. So we're going to be at 5. Excuse me, we're at negative 2, 5. Looked at the original again. I'm like, there's already a point there. That's a bad point. 7, excuse me, -2, +7. Then -5, +9. And -5, 3. So if you notice with this one, when I flip it, it almost rotates it a little bit. So when you do your flips with the line y equals x or the line y equals -x, your shape is going to look almost rotated to some degree. So just keep that in mind. All right, that's all I have for you today.